Well, first of all, I think it's good, especially as we are a partially state-owned company, that we have support of the Austrian government. It's very, very important. And I think it's not specific for Russia at all. We do have political business when you're in oil and gas. It's each country you're picking up, you need to have good political relationships in the back if you want to invest billions of dollars.
I said this to John Brown like 15 years ago. You're a politician, sir, not necessarily a businessman when it comes especially to Russia. And you've got yourself in another situation now because the Norwegians are unhappy potentially about an asset swap that you're doing with Gazprom as well. So you're right in there as a politician on various fronts, aren't you?
Well, I think I'm a businessman. I'm deciding on economics and not on politics, that's clear. But we have the support of the Austrian government that we invest into Russia. We are not impacted at all by any sanctions as we speak about executing our projects in Russia. And the concerns of the Norwegian energy minister, we need to have a more deeper dialogue. And then we will sit together with our Russian partner, and I'm pretty sure we will find a good solution.
Tell me about where OMV goes next as well, because I've watched your company and your previous CEO I knew very well as well, over many years as well. It's almost as if you've been in many pies as well. Do you feel now you've got the right portfolio, the right structure to your company?
Well, I think we have done good, that we have invested and acquired new production in times where the oil price was $30 to $40 per barrel, and now we're enjoying 70 to 80 bucks. So I think this was the right decision. We will continue to grow. OMV is striving for growth because our planet needs more oil and gas, more energy, and that's the reason why we will contribute more to that. But we will become more a gassy company. We will invest more into gas production because it's a cleaner fuel. But we also have to balance the company. The integrated structure gives us robustness, and that's the reason why we are interested also to invest into the downstream value chain.
Yeah, and this is a really interesting point because you mentioned the need for oil and gas oil, the need for hydrocarbons. There are some people out there who would tell us that we could get rid of them tomorrow and we'd be okay as well. And many oil companies are dropping the oil name. We know who those are, and they're becoming energy companies or gas and oil companies as well. So the message to investors and to viewers has got to be, don't kid yourself, we need hydrocarbons at least for the next 10 years or so.
That's absolutely correct. The world is not black or white. Yeah, everybody is now in the hype of EV vehicles. This doesn't mean that we are not producing diesel cars and gasoline cars anymore. And in several regions, we do have a totally different picture. In the United States, I think the diesel car is not the best one, but a gasoline car is a car with a future. So we have to be a little bit more, let's say, complex, and we should accept and have a higher tolerance to all energy sources. We need a mix.
And be honest, and just my final question, the politicians, we started on politics, so let's finish on it. They've got to be honest, haven't they? Because I think they're telling electorates, we can do this, when it just doesn't look feasible when you do the math.
Somebody has to do the job.
Yeah.
And the job is done by companies and not by politicians.
Hey everybody, it's Hadley Gamble from our new CNBC Middle East Bureau in Abu Dhabi. Thanks for stopping by. Now to watch more, you can try one of the videos that just popped up on your screen. And don't forget to subscribe.